In today's video, I will walk you through how to instantly move funds to sub-accounts on Deribit. Start by logging into your primary verified Deribit account. Once you're signed in, go to the top right corner of the trading interface and click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select Sub-Accounts to open the Sub-Accounts dashboard. When you're on the Sub-Accounts page, look through the list and find the specific sub-account that you want to fund. Next to that sub-account's alias, click the Transfer button. If needed, you can also navigate to the Wallet and then the Transfer tab from the main menu to begin the transfer. After opening the transfer page, make sure the transfer direction is set correctly. Check that the source account and destination account match the transfer you want to complete. For example, if you're moving funds from your main account into a sub-account, make sure the source is set to your main account and the destination is set to the correct sub-account. Next, choose the asset that you want to move. Select the appropriate coin from the available options, such as BTC, ETH, or USDC. Once you've selected the asset, enter the exact amount that you want to transfer into the amount field. Double-check that the amount is correct before continuing. After confirming the transfer direction, the selected coin, and the transfer amount, click the Transfer button to complete the transaction. The transfer is processed internally between your own Deribit accounts, so there are no fees for moving funds between your main account and your sub-accounts. The transfer is also completed immediately, allowing the funds to become available in the destination account as soon as the transfer is processed. If you need to move additional funds, simply return to the sub-accounts dashboard. Choose another sub-account if needed, click Transfer again, set the correct source and destination accounts, select the coin, enter the amount, and click Transfer to complete the next transfer. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can instantly move funds from your main account to your Deribit sub-accounts, or transfer funds in the opposite direction by setting the correct transfer source and destination before confirming the transfer. Thank you for watching.